Hello, I'm Joshua. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today, in this video, we're gonna be teaching you how to create a folder on your desktop using command prompt. So, in order to create a folder on your desktop using command prompt, you just go to command prompt, go to search bar. If you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, go to search bar and search for command prompt. When you see it, you right click on it and run it as administrator. Click on yes. So now to command prompt. So to create a folder on your desktop, you need to know the location of your desktop. So you go to any folder on your desktop or create a random folder. So if you don't know how to create a folder on your desktop, you just need to right click anywhere on your desktop and go to new and go to folder. And now we have created a folder on our desktop. So now you need to right click on that folder and go to right click on that folder and go to properties, and now you see the location of the folder because the folder is on desktop, so you are seeing desktop at the lights. Okay, so now we're trying to create a folder on our desktop using command prompt. So we'll take this location and put it within our command prompt. So you just need to say cd and write this location within the command prompt. So now don't forget to always put cd, which is create directory. So don't forget to always put cd. So after you post create directory, put the location and click enter. Now we are within our desktop. We are trying to tell the computer that we are trying to create a folder in our desktop. So the next thing to do is just to make the folder, make directory and click on and type whatever name you want to use on your folder. So as for me, I'm gonna use like and hk. So now I click enter. So if you don't see the folder appear automatically, you just need to refresh your desktop, and you click anywhere on your desktop and refresh it. Then you see the folder on your desktop icon. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please follow the channel and click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put on the video.